Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use chlorine neutralizer. First, understand that chlorine neutralizer is a chemical compound designed to quickly and safely remove chlorine and chloramines from water. This is crucial because chlorine, even in small amounts, can be toxic to aquatic life, burning gills and harming mucous membranes. Sodium thiosulfate is a common and effective active ingredient in many neutralizers. It works fast, is affordable, and generally has no negative side effects when used correctly. You should use chlorine neutralizer whenever you introduce tap water to an aquarium or pond, as municipal water supplies often contain chlorine or chloramines to disinfect it. This chemical is harmful to fish and other aquatic organisms. Neutralizing chlorine is also important before discharging treated wastewater to protect the environment. It quickly reduces high chlorine levels, preventing irritation to eyes and skin, and maintaining balanced water. This ensures a safe and healthy habitat for your aquatic friends. To apply chlorine neutralizer, always start by carefully reading the product label for precise dosage instructions, as concentrations can vary. A common guideline for pools is to add 2 ounces of granular neutralizer per 10,000 gallons of water to reduce chlorine by 1 part per million. For smaller volumes like aquariums, a highly concentrated liquid might require only 1 or 2 drops per gallon. Sprinkle granular products around the pool's edge with the pump running, or add liquid directly to the water. Then mix thoroughly to ensure even distribution. For best results, store your chlorine neutralizer in its original container in a cool, dark, and dry area, away from direct sunlight and extreme temperatures, to maintain its effectiveness. Proper ventilation is also important. After applying the neutralizer, wait about 30 minutes, then retest your water to confirm chlorine levels are safe before introducing fish or swimming. This ensures you've achieved the desired balance. And speaking of making things easier, check the description below for a link to these fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, plus other great deals you won't want to miss.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.